Jet2.com would like to welcome you here to Prague, where the local time is 1 hour ahead of the UK and is 10 to 11 in the morning, which we're pleased to say is 10 minutes ahead of schedule. Please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your hand baggage stowed until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the overhead seatbelt sign throughout the cabin. Before leaving us here today, please do ensure that you have all your personal items with you by checking the overhead lockers and the area around your seat, and please do take care when opening overhead lockers in case any items may have moved during today's flight or landing. We'd like to advise all passengers that smoking is only permitted once inside a designated smoking area and is not permitted on the walk or the bus to the terminal itself, and all mobile telephones must remain switched off until you have left the aircraft and cleared immigration well inside the terminal building. Our ground staff here are Menzies Aviation and they'll be meeting the aircraft, and you'll also find uniformed personnel within the baggage reclaim area should you require any further assistance. Finally, for any passengers who are returning to the UK with Jet2.com, please note that all Jet2.com flights check in and depart from Prague Terminal 1. Finally, on behalf of us all here at Jet2, please, Madam, please can you remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has parked